Hi everybody, welcome to Simply Scuba. In today's video we're going to be taking a closer look at the XDEEP NX Backplate. So this is a very different backplate compared to most traditional ones. It's a little bit larger, comes in two different sizes as well. So this is the large, you also get a smaller one which is slightly shorter, so it makes it a bit more comfortable for you. But the whole thought concept around this is to make it more ergonomic. So this unique X shape just spreads the weight and makes it a bit more ergonomic, especially on your shoulders. It also gives you a better sort of shoulder strap assembly, increasing the size of your shoulder strap to make it a little bit easier for you to get in. It's got everything that you need on a backplate. This is the aluminium version, so it's a lot lighter. Let's take a closer look. Okay, so this is how it arrives. Well, tell a lie, it arrives in some bubble wrap, but I think everyone knows what bubble wrap looks like, so I've just gotten rid of that. But yeah, let's take a closer look at the backplate itself. So the first thing is nice and light. This is that sort of aluminium alloy that XDEEP use. So if you're traveling, this isn't going to add too much to your baggage allowance. It's nice, but it's also very strong. Some aluminium backplates, you feel like you could bend them, but this one is not bending whatsoever. It's really strong, but it's lightweight as well. This is like an aircraft grade aluminium. As far as the shape to it, it feels a little bit larger than a traditional backplate. Normally you'd feel it a little bit shorter and of course a little bit narrower as well. But that's the main benefit of this backplate, in that it's that X shape, so it's spreading the weight of the cylinder on your back. So especially when you're out of the water, it's going to be much more comfortable, but also stable as well. You have that very traditional sort of valley down the center, and then it flattens out and then curves as well. So again, it's being a bit more ergonomic when it's on your back. Up at the top, very standard shoulder strap slots. So you get the diagonal and then the horizontal ones to become your shoulder straps. These ones I think are more for the padding, the optional padding that you can put over the top of it. 3 slots down the center. So this is for either bolting on your twin set or attaching on a single tank adapter. This is the skeletonized detailing, so it's got the cutouts just to help reduce weight, but it still maximizes the strength again, so it's strong but it's light at the same time. Huge cutouts in the center because you don't literally need anything there. Down towards the center we have more sort of attachment points, and then right down at the bottom here you have a long slot. So this is for twin sets. If you don't have those twinning bolts exactly 11 inches apart or however far they are, you have this slot which just gives a greater sort of allowance. Then this is the section which makes it a little bit different. So these are for your waistband. So your shoulder straps traditionally come down and then almost in the same section become your waistband. With the XDEEP, this NX, it comes down further, then goes up and becomes your waistband. So that actually increases your shoulder strap size by 20%, which makes it a lot easier to get in and out of. But then because the waistband is a little bit higher than where it's attaching, it actually wraps around them and tucks it in, so it really holds you in position. More attachment points down the side for whatever accessories. These sections here, I imagine, are for your crotch strap. Because it's a V-shaped crotch strap, you have 2 attachment points and then 4 little holes down at the bottom, so you can attach whatever you want down in the small of your back. On the back side, very much the same as the front. You've got this kind of matte silver finish to it, but otherwise, yeah, a good looking backplate. Okay, so that's the XDEEP NX backplate. Incredibly lightweight, the aluminium alloy one. I just weighed it at about, I think it's just over 1 kilo. The official number was 1,078 grams. So nice and light. It's not going to add too much weight to your traveling baggage. So for traveling divers, it's perfect. It's ergonomic as well. So if you're diving in just a rash vest, still going to be really comfortable. Definitely worth checking out. There's going to be more information on our website, simplyscuba.com. It's going to be a link down below so you can buy it from us. Thank you for watching, and of course, safe diving.